Greetings, 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 peace, love, and light, family. I am Sisti. I'm a spiritualist and a naturalist, and I believe I'm an humble oracle of the Most High Yah. I just wanted to drop in and give you guys just a kind of a reminder message on today. So, today was a wee bit stressful, and I had some kind of chaotic things happen. So I just wanted to really share with you guys my experience because I hope and pray to the Most High it was a growing experience because I'm gonna definitely go journal about it. So y'all take a seat on this one maybe. Sometimes your family members or your best friends or those who are closest to you are going to be the ones who push your buttons the most. And we have to be able to discern and spiritually be able to see whether it's a test for us to learn a life lesson or if it's something else kind of spiritually malevolent. We need to be able to be mindful about that, okay? So, my situation is close family members not hearing me, and because I feel unheard, then it becomes circular and it's just a roundabout discussion, but there's no resolution happening. And I pride myself on communication, and the frustration comes in wherein if you can communicate well with everybody else, why can't you communicate well with those that are nearest and dearest to your hearts, whether it be best friend, BFF, bestie, spouse, partner, boyfriend, girlfriend, parents, co-workers, business partners, yada yada yada, neighborhood members, yada yada yada. You just insert your person in the box that is pushing your buttons. Yes. So, um, the life lesson for me today was instead of getting so worked up where it's becoming unproductive, learn to take a moment to step away and be introspective and reflective to see what role you're playing. As spiritualists, as chosen ones, y'all, sometimes we are called to take the high ground, even when it seems like it shouldn't be us, the ones that it seems like we shouldn't be the ones having to always take the high ground, because generally it's us. That's been my life story. I don't know about y'all. Comment and share. Yes, SD, that's been my story. Now, I'm talking about y'all in conversations with people 1.5 times, 2 times, 2.5 times my senior. Many times has been the case, whether it be an old employer, a boss, whomever. And those who hear it on the outside are saying, D, just take the high ground. Just take the high ground. You be the bigger person. And I always stop to ask, why am I always called to be the bigger person? I want to be petty too. I want to be petty too. I want to be petty boots sometimes. Y'all, unfortunately, chosen ones don't always get to be petty boots, even though we want to sometimes. Yeah. And I'm outside in the garden, y'all, because I just needed to take a break to decompress a little bit. And also give thanks because it is definitely, again, a life learning lesson. And I'll definitely, consider, and I'm joggling around, y'all, sorry. Yeah, so I'll definitely consider my part in it. Hope that y'all can see me. Yeah, so y'all, I just wanted to share that really quickly and give y'all a reminder Also, this is just a side note. If a relationship isn't productive for too long, and this is just Sis D saying this, y'all. If a relationship isn't productive for too long, and I mean you don't have to interact with that person, I don't always necessarily believe that it's a bad thing to disconnect. Yeah, y'all, I'm all over the place. Sorry. I don't think it's a bad thing to always disconnect from people and kind of give the relationship time to breathe a little bit, and you pray about the person and you wish them well, you send positive vibrations out, and you journal and you write and you talk to the Most High and you meditate, and you go ground and you get your sun, and you let the relationship breathe a little bit, and then you ask the Most High for permission to go back to those people, those persons, or that situation. And I don't think there's anything wrong with that. You don't walk away in anger. You don't walk away upset, because I wasn't. I was just kind of just a flexing like D does, because I just a flex. And someone on the outside said, I know you well enough to know that you weren't upset, but that person clearly was a little bit rattled by your animation. And I can be that, y'all. I can be very animated. I'm very much so an over the top kind of personality. Can y'all tell? Can you tell? Everything about me is larger than life. I always have been. Might not be a good thing, because I'm learning that today. So I have to go in and readjust and think about, okay, we don't shrink for people. I hope that makes sense. We don't diminish our light. We don't, close in. Sorry, y'all. We don't close in, but you re-examine. Take some time to be introspective, because personally, my goal is I never want to offend people. I don't want to hurt people's feelings. If you're my boss, I don't want you to be annoyed at me. If you're my family member or my best friend, I don't want you to be ticked off like, what is her problem? She needs to get it together, lady. I don't want people to think that way. I want them to be like, okay, there's clearly a breakdown in communication right here. Let's see if we can come to the table of resolution and let's figure it out. That's how I believe that it should be. And I hope that makes sense to y'all. We as chosen ones, part of our assignment here is always to try to raise the vibrational levels. I said in passing, y'all just gotta love me like you love me, take me like you take me. Nope. I don't think the Most High is gonna take that as a passing answer. So I gotta go back, say sorry. Oops, sorry. Yeah, I'm going to go apologize to people, and y'all, no disrespect, no hard feelings. Please, let's talk about it. I'm going to go yet again. It's okay. Extend the olive branch. Yeah, it's all right. Been doing it for a very long time, so this one time yet again is not that big of a deal. I'll be the bigger one. It's okay. Might be par for the course for Sis D and some of us other chosen ones, and it's fine. Anyway, I just wanted to share this message with you guys. It just wasn't even a message. It kind of was just my encounter for today. And I just thought I'd share with you guys, because I didn't post today, and y'all, I'll be spending some time with family members this weekend as we are feasting and things like that. Have family members in town, so I might not be posting as much this weekend for the next couple of days, but I definitely will. If something exciting or fun happens, I definitely will let you guys know that. Let me stop and pause really quickly and say to the new subscribers, to those new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I pray to the Most High that you guys are enjoying the channel and the content that you've seen thus far. Feel free to like, subscribe. Please do if you have it. If you feel it in your heart to do so, please do. I would greatly appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you can get any new videos from me that I post. Me sweet little sis D. And to my delightful family, to the Vibe Up Y'all tribe, I see y'all. I see y'all. May the Most High bless y'all and be with y'all on today. And with y'all, I'm going to quickly dip on out and say, vibe up, y'all. Vibe up. This is D, and I'm out.